Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create the Viber chatbot. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to connect the Viber. We're going to create a Viber chatbot using the Viber partner, and then we're going to connect the Viber chatbot to SendPulse. In order for you to do that, you have to register as a Viber partner. You have to go to https://partners.viber.com. Here you need to sign up with your business email, and then here you have to create a chatbot. And then in the chatbot or in creating that, you need to simply add your bot name, avatar logo, category, description, location. Once the bot is created, you will receive an API token. And all you have to do is to scroll down here and copy this token from Viber panel. Now what you're going to do next is you have to go to SendPulse account. So go to sandpulse.com, log in, and create a free account. You just have to connect your Google and then enter the phone number that you have used to your Viber, and you will see this one. What you're going to do is you have to go and tap on Connect Bot. So you have to tap this one first. What tool are you going to use? You have to click this one and then choose Viber. And then you can now answer the following here. And once you're done, then what you're going to do is you have to look for the chatbot. Okay, so add your category or field. And then once done, what you're going to do is go to the upper side. You will see here chatbot. You have to click this one and wait for a couple of seconds. Now here, what you're going to do next is you have to connect all channels. You have to click this, connect channels. And then after that, you have to tap on or look for the Viber right here. So once you tap this one, you have to select Viber. And you have to simply paste the token that you have copied earlier from Viber panel. So you have to paste it right here, and then you will receive a code. And what you're going to do now, you will be given a code, which is this one. And now you can start sending messages via SendPulse. So you can share your Viber bot link to chatsviber.com or your bot, and then let users opt in by starting a chat with your bot. So by sending message, just go to Chatbots, My Bots, Viber bot, click Create Broadcast, choose your segment or entire list, write your message or use a pre-made flow, and schedule or send immediately. And basically, that's how easy it is to create a Viber chatbot. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.